Hi there, I'm Chie and welcome to my channel. Today we're creating a dip pen and ink with watercolor painting of one of Paris' most iconic landmarks, the Hôtel de Ville de Paris. If you love urban sketching, architectural drawing, or watercolor cityscapes, you're in the right place. As always, I begin with the light pencil sketch to make sure all the main structures are properly placed within the composition before drawing with dip pen and waterproof ink. This building is a dream for architectural sketching because of its rich ornamentation, mansard roof, statues, and Renaissance revival symmetry. The original building of the Hôtel de Ville dates back to 1357 when it served as the city's administrative center. The structure we recognize today, however, is largely a 19th century reconstruction. After a devastating fire during the Paris Commune in 1871, the building was rebuilt between 1874 and 1882. It is a stunning neo-Renaissance masterpiece filled with elaborate sculptures, grand windows, carved stoneworks, and the iconic mansard roof typical of Paris' architectural identity. Today, the Hôtel de Ville remains the seat of the Paris City Hall and a symbol of civic pride and artistic heritage. Once the ink is completely dry, we will use watercolor to breathe more life into the piece. As for the roofs, I use a light wash of Payne's Grey and Ultramarine Blue. I use a light wash of yellow ochre to mark the warm stones of the facade. And here's our final dip pen and ink with watercolor painting of the Hôtel de Ville de Paris. If you enjoy this Paris urban sketching tutorial, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments as to which Paris landmark should I paint next. Thank you so much for watching today, and I will see you in the next video.